Hey YouTubers, Ronan here again. What I'm planning to talk to you about today is Ralph, the new pet turtle, and my koi fish I'm planning to integrate into one big tank. Hey YouTuber, this is Ralph, the turtle. I got him about 2 weeks now. The boys said they wanted a pet turtle, so someone gave me this yellow belly slider. The kids decided to call him Ralph. This tank I ended up buying from Amazon. It's the complete reptile kit. It came with that filter right there. The only problem that I have with that filter is that every week the filter gets blocked up and it needs to be cleaned, so I have to figure something out, something different. But if you see, it pumps and then it'll stop, it'll pump and it'll stop because the water that's going in past the filter is very low. It came with the regular light, the fixture, the bulb, and it came with that fixture and that bulb. It came with a starter kit for food. It came with this water treatment, an extra pack of filter. There's two that's in the filter and three extra. And it came with a third of food. I got all this on Amazon. I think it's for $1.19. There was a little bit of fake grass that goes in the bottom, but I didn't put it in. And the stand. So this tank also came with this reptile cover that has these safety latches, so no one can really open it. This middle one has somewhere you can put a lock. I guess that's for people who have snakes. One in each end, and the bottom, the back just snaps right in. So you have your regular CFL, your regular heat bulb. You have your regular heat bulb, and the fixture that came with the set. Your UV bulb that came with the set, your filtration system with 5 filter. This takes 2. And the reason why it's filtering like that is within 3 days that filter goes clogged. And then Baskin Rock for Ralph. I've got a timer set up for the 2 lights, which comes on in the morning about 7:30 and goes out about 7:30 at night, just to kind of mimic sunlight. And I have the UV light that goes on for 2 hours, off for 1 hour, on for 2 hours, off for 1 hour. So watch me as I feed Ralph, the turtle. I'll let the kids feed him and watch him eat. See how he comes, he sees me coming and he comes close.
far away. I can so see him. He ate a lot of food.
Ralph is super hungry, huh?
Yeah. Ow! What's under my foot?
Okay, Ralphie boy.
Wow. That was Ralph wants to fight.
Ralph wants to fight?
Yeah.
So what do you boys think about Ralph? You like him?
Yeah, look. Someone's doing a squat. He protects his bicep.
Yeah.
Whistle.
So who's Ralph's best friend?
Me. And me. And Pa. And Ma. And Y.
Wow. So Ralph is gonna swim, he's gonna take some sun, and then we'll give him lunch later, right?
Yeah. But I don't feed him.
You fed him twice yesterday. When Ralph gets a little bit bigger, I'm gonna mix Ralph with these koi fishes.
Oh! Pa!
This way,
Pa! I just realized Ralph was big!
Ralph is able to protect himself and he can't damage the fishes too.
Yeah!
Ralph and the koi fish will move to their new home in our patio pond, which is a 700-gallon pond. And then once we move to that pond, then I'll move Ralph out to the big 5,000-gallon pond. All those two are under construction. So Ralph is growing so he can get to his new home.
Yeah, for his best friend! Pa! Pa will be a friend.
You can see my koi cam. The kois haven't figured out that the food is still on top that I just put. So it's not going to be a feeding frenzy yet. From my LED lights, I think it's a little bit difficult to tell the color of the kois.